Hey, this is Byron, and I want to go over some do's and don'ts when it comes to the stock market. I just got out the hospital, so I'm a little bit under the weather, but there's so many people calling me, telling me, Byron, I want to get into the stock market. I'm tired of working. I've been working my butt off. I want to get a safe way of income when it comes to my family and everything else where I don't have to worry about getting fired or suspended or, laid off and things like that. The stock market is the greatest form of wealth. I cannot emphasize that enough. I'm very excited about this. Today is November 14th, and I just got out the hospital. I ain't gonna say what's wrong with me, but it's important to me to make a difference in this world. And one thing I am very skilled on is the stock market. Okay, the first thing you want to do, like I said, is get an online brokerage account. Please get an online brokerage account. I don't care if it's Ameritrade. I don't care if it's E-Trade. I don't care if it's Charles Schwab. There's so many out there. But get something that don't cost you money. It's free to put your money in there. And matter of fact, get a company that will pay you and give you more buying power. It's called margins account. There's certain stocks, a loud car just went past. There's certain stock companies that do that. So get something that gives margins account that would give you, if you put 10,000 in, for example, it would give you another 10,000 for buying power, things like that. And a company don't charge you. Some companies charge fees when you buy and sell a stock. I'm giving you the do's and the don'ts because this is my profession. I know I'm a black man in a white man's market, but I'm okay with that because I am very skilled. I got 27 people buying and selling stock through me. I'm very proud of that because my record is like 33 out of 34 towards getting stocks right. A matter of fact, before this video ends, I might find a stock for you. Anyway, my name is Byron. I'm the stock master. Yes, I am. Okay, I'm trying to catch my breath. I ain't got that much energy. Okay, one thing you want to do before you buy your stock is look at the Dow Jones. I'm looking at it right now. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the S&P 500. See how it's trading today. And then pull up the news on the stock. I have my computer with me. I'm going to pull up the news right now. Yep, I'm going to pull up the news right now for you. Set my little wand down and pull up the news for you. This is my little computer. I'm pulling up the news. See what's going on out there. You got to find out what's going on with Donald Trump out there. See if there's any wars going on. See if there's a certain trend going on out there. And when you pull up the news on any stock company, it'll tell you exactly what's going on in society. That's very important. Right now, it popped up AI. AI is the future right now. Anything dealing with AI, this is a helpful hint. Try to buy that stock. But there's a lot of things you do before you buy that stock. But AI is a good start. Trust me on that. Definitely subscribe, like, and share this video because I need my videos to get to you immediately because I'm going to lay some stock market knowledge on you every other day as long as I'm healthy, which I'm tired right now. But it's important to me to make a difference in this world. And I want the young people to know you can be successful in the stock market if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money. That's just the bottom truth. You can lose a lot of money. But if you know what you're doing, it could be the greatest form of wealth. Yes, it can. Anyway, let's keep it going. Okay, I'll pull up the news. AI popped up. So you want to look at the news, and then you want to pull up a stock. They tell you what's a hot stock right now. Let's go to MU Technology. This company is MU. This Micron Technology Incorporation. It's trading at $254.27. I'm looking at it right now. It went up 17 points today. That's one of the hottest stocks out there because it's dealing with technology and it's dealing with AI. Those stocks, anything dealing with technology and AI right now, is doing pretty good. Shipping is doing good with Amazon as well. Okay, AI is coming up right now. Well, I'm sorry, MU is coming up right now. I'm quite motivated. I'm using all the energy that I have. Oh, my computer is going very slow. Okay. Come on, MU. Anyway, it should pop up. It popped up. $254.48. Yes. Plus 17, it's up $17.53. I'm looking at it right now. Okay. The bid is 254.41. The ask is 254.56. So MU is always a good stock. AMD is always a good stock. That's dealing with technology and AI. You have to, and I'm talking about short term or long term, either one. But I do short term. That's my profession. But that stock is going up, and it's been going up. Last month, MU was at 175. It's at 254 right now. It went up 75 points. MU, Micron Technology, remember that name. That stock is hot right now. But before you buy your stock, what you want to do is pull up market movers. I'm going to pull up market movers right now. That tell you what's hot right now. I'm running out of energy here. Okay, I'm pulling up market movers right now. You can and check the history of the stock. Check the sector of the stock. What sector is in? Is it in technology and things like that? Okay, I'm pulling up market movers. My little computer here. I'm pulling up market movers. I hope this can help you out. I really do. I hope this can help out someone. It's kind of hot in my house here, in my room. Okay, right now it says NVIDIA is doing pretty good. It's up 3.16. It got 44 pieces of news that came out. That's NVDA. That's a pretty good stock. That's doing pretty good. Tesla is doing pretty good too, but that's at $409. It's kind of expensive, but you don't have to buy that many shares. If you get like 10 shares and it go up 10 points, that's a quick $100 you made in 5 minutes. You got to think about it like that. You don't want to have to buy 1,000 shares or 500 shares. You could get 10 shares, 20 shares. It don't matter. But definitely subscribe and like and share and leave me your opinion. So, and no, don't just leave me your opinion. Ask me questions on the comment section in my, YouTube channel, so I can answer them for you, so you can make money. I'm telling you, this is so big. You can quit your job and just listen to me. You can make money in the stock market. I'm that confident in myself because all I want to do, and I don't charge anything. Everybody else wants you to come to them stock market companies and analysts and things like that, but they charge stuff. I don't charge anything. So definitely pull up the news. And once you pull up the news, pull up the stock. I'm pulling up Nvidian right now. I'm pulling up Nvidian right now. Like I said, I just got out the hospital. So I'm dealing with my kidney, but that's okay. I'm still going to use all my effort to make money for you. I'm very religious. I think God is walking next to me, and He wants me to do this. This is my calling. Okay, Nvidian is up $2.91. Now, once you go to Nvidian, go to the volume. Its average volume is 194 million. I'm looking at it right now. Today's volume is at 100 million right now. Nvidian is not bad. It's trading at 189.77. It has a lot of good news on it. Its market cap is 4.5. Its EPS, that's earnings per share, is 3.52. And its PE, price per earnings, is 53.18. That's the mathematical part of the stock. You could try to learn the mathematical parts of the stock too. That can help you out. Outstanding shares is 24.3 billion. Okay. And then pull up the last day, how been going the last day, the last 5 days, the last month, last year, year to date, things like that. And then you can look at the trend on the stock. Okay, then you want to go to the news, of course. I'm going to the news right now. I'm just using one stock as an example. Listen to everything I'm saying. First of all, when you pull up the news, the analyst report's right next to it. Analyst research. Morgan Stanley said the stock is overweight. That's green. That's great. Tip Ranks Analyst Consensus says strong buy. That's great. Refinite says neutral. That's okay. Smart Census says buy. That's really good too. I really get into this. This is something I do 24 hours a day. I just want to help you guys out towards the stock market. The news says global markets, stock slammed on dash hopes of imminent federal rate cut. Okay. Market breather, major averages find support at 50-day moving averages. That's just on Nvidian. Tech stocks tumble at rate cut odds fall. 170 million outflows from Viacom ETFs. Little things like that. This got so much news on it, but basically they're saying the stock is a good stock right now. It's a solid stock. That's just how you find a good stock. And not, like I said, look at the analyst report. Look at the history of the stocks. Look at the overall view of the stock. It's called, you can pull it down, Do all this, everything I'm saying, before you buy your first stock. Do all this before you buy your first stock. I'm scrolling down right now. They got options for NVIDIA. You can do options too, options trading. I did a video on that, so definitely take a look at that. Look at the company overview. Look at the hold on, the earnings move analyst is called. The last in the third quarter, the fourth quarter, did it make its earnings report and things like that. Look and see if it's paying dividends. That's important. Things like that. I'm giving you all my knowledge right now when it comes to the stock market. I'm making money like crazy. Okay, on NVIDIA, I'm tired. The ex-dividend date is 9/11/2025. That's when you should have that stock to get a dividend check. That's free money. Dividends payout is free money that they put into your account. The dividend payout date is 10/2/2025. Okay, so it already happened. The next dividend check date haven't come out yet. So I'm running out of energy right now, but I'm gonna make another stock video. But keep watching my stocks videos. Please like, subscribe, and share this video because I got so much information in me I just want to let you guys know about to teach you the stock market. My name is Byron. I'm signing off, and good luck making money.